Hi everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we're going to see the products which I purchased during the Nykaa's Pink Friday Sale. So these are the products which I got during the Nykaa's Pink Friday Sale. Most of the products which I got are all affordable. There were a lot of offers and a lot of freebies available. So let's go ahead and check them out. So let us go brand wise. So every brand, most of the brands had a lot of offers and freebies available. So the first set of products I got is from Foxtale. So these are the products which I got, and Foxtale is a really good brand for skincare products, and I wanted to purchase some cleansers, so I went and tried them. So this is the Foxtale's Purify and Glow cleanser. So it's a cleanser come face mask, so you can use it like a 2-in-1 product. So the actual cost of this is $395 and I got it for $224. And the next product is the Hydrating cleanser. So this is a cleanser which can also be used as a makeup remover, and the cost of this is $349 and I got it for $198. And the next one which I got is the Oil Balancing Moisturizer. So this is the Perfection Moisturizer, which is actually a kind of a viral product, and I really wanted to try this, and this actual cost is $445 and I got it for $263. And for purchasing these Foxtale products, I got this product as free. So this is the Pure Bliss Nourishing Moisturizer. So this is a full size product which I got as free from Foxtale. Next, I got some products from Chemist and Play. The first one is this lip balm. So this is the SPF 50 lip balm from Chemist and Play, and this is of shade Cherry. So this cost is $299 and I got it for $217. And this is a pretty good one. I've heard good reviews about it, so I wanted to try it. And I also got this underarm roll-on, which is really good. Chemist and Play, underarm roll-ons are really good. It helps in depigmentation as well, and it controls odor. I have used it earlier, so I use Minimalist more, but this is more travel friendly, I feel, because Minimalist is the glass bottle which I really can't which I really can't carry while traveling. And this roll-on is actually $399 and I got it for $262. And for this Chemist and Play products, I got this mini version of gel sunscreen free for these products, and this has got SPF 50 PA+++. So this is also a really good product, so you can go ahead and try it out. So this seems to be good for travel purpose. Next, I got some products from Maybelline. So the first one is this lip combo. I think even before the ad started, I purchased this. So this is the new lifter, liner from Maybelline, and this is the lifter gloss, which is a known product. And the shades, this was a combo available. I really didn't even look at the shade. I just went ahead and got it. So the shade which I have is Cross the Line. So it's more of a brown shade. So this is how the shade is. And the lifter gloss shade is Copper. So this is a gloss which has got shimmer as well in it. So you can see here, it's got a little bit of glitter in it. So this seems to be a really good combo, especially if you're wearing for some parties or something. I think this one will really go on well. So the combo price is actually $1,398 and I got it for $662, which seems to be a pretty good deal according to me. So next I got this Maybelline's Kohl pencil. So this is a brown Kohl. I usually don't wear much of kajal because it smudges and the next day it looks really bad. So I really don't use much kajal, but if it is brown, I will definitely try it out. So I just use a little bit of this and I really liked it. It's pretty good. It also comes with a smudger behind, so I really wanted to try the Maybelline's one. The cost of this is $599 and I got it for $284. And for purchasing the Maybelline products, this was a free product. It is a brush with the makeup sponge, and it seems to be really good. This is more like a powder brush, not for foundation, I guess. The bristles are really soft, but it's not very dense. So I think this is good for, powder application and others. And this sponge is also kind of okay. I think it will help you to blend the products well. So It looks really nice and it's travel friendly. Next, I got some products from Inside. So the first one is this Inside's Aqua Lip Drip, and this is of shade Berrylicious. So this is how it is. It's like this, the peptide lip treatment balm, like how you have in Tipsy Beauty. I have tried that. This is almost similar to that, and this is how the applicator is. It's got that metal applicator. I tried it and it's really good. It's got a little bit of tint and also keeps your lips really hydrating. The actual cost of this is $299 and I got it for $223. Next one, I got this cushion concealer and I got the shade Toasted Coconut, and this is how it is. And so this is how it is. You have the product inside and you have to press it to get it. So the shade is like this. I'm not sure if it is visible. Seems to be a really good shade for concealing. It's got more of a kind of a peach undertone, I feel. But with the orange corrector, I think this will go well to conceal the under eyes and pigmented area for me. The actual cost of this is $210 and I got it for $156. So there was a free product available for Inside, so I had to buy something extra in order to gain that. And the minimal cost product was this. This is the nail polish remover wipes, and I got this actually cost is $75 and I got it for $55. So post buying this, I got a free product from Inside, which is this Peptide Infused Lip Oil. So this is how it looks, and this is of shade Red Glaze. So this is how the applicator is. So let's go ahead and apply it. So this is how it looks. Pretty good. I think it's more like a nice lip gloss. Next, I got some products from K Beauty. So K Beauty has offers only during these type of sales. So I'll definitely buy at least one product from K. So this time I wanted to try the compact, the matte, soft matte pressed powder, and I got the shade 150p medium, which is actually a kind of a pink undertone, but I'm still okay because the shade ranges in K Beauty is so confusing nowadays, and I didn't want to go for a darker shade, and this seems to be a pretty good shade. So this is how the packaging is, and this is how it is. The compact, so it's like kind of embossed with the the logo and everything. And usually the compact which I used earlier from K did not have the applicator, the cushion. So this time this came along with the package, and this is the type of the sponge which comes. Actually, I don't like these type, but anyways, let's go ahead and try it. But this shade seems to be pretty okay, especially for setting your powder. It gives you that really nice mattifying finish. I did try it as soon as I got it. The finish was really good and the shade match is also really good. So the actual cost of this is $1,199 and I got it for $805, which is a good deal because, as I said, K Beauty does not have offers rest of the time in Nykaa. During these sales, definitely there will be at least up to 25% off. And K Beauty usually has a free product if you purchase about some 1,200. So I thought I'll try another product. I used their lip liner earlier, which I really loved it, and it actually got expired. So I thought I'll try another one. So I got this lip liner. So this is the Matte Action Lip and Fill Lip Pencil, and I got the shade Applause. So this is the shade. So this is more like a reddish shade. So I'll just put it here. So this is how the shade is. So I have kind of applied it today. So this is how the shade is. Maybe it's not visible, but it's more like a reddish shade. And this one is, it's matte and it doesn't go away very easily. So you can see here, it doesn't go away very easily. And for purchasing these two products, I got this one. So you can actually pick any gift. So I picked this lip tint because the rest of the products which was given as free gift, I already have it. So I thought, I haven't tried the lip tint from K Beauty. So this was the free gift, and this is of shade Spicy. I am applying that now. Sorry, I have applied that now. You can see here, this is how the shade is. It's kind of that reddish pink shade, which I really liked it. And this is how the packaging is, and this is how the applicator is. I really loved it. I wanted to try this for a long time, but luckily I got this as a gift this time, so I'm happy about it. So I got a few products from Makeup Revolution. The first one is this bronzer. So this one is like that big bronzer. I didn't expect it to be so big, but this is really good. I like bronzers, applying bronzers as a part of my makeup, and I've been using just a couple of them which are really good. So I wanted to try another brand, and this one I saw really good reviews, and this is how the shade is, which is a pretty good shade for bronzing. It gives you that nice, that sun-kissed look. So this is from Makeup Revolution, and the actual cost is 650. I got it for 548. And I really like this one. I didn't try it though, but I just tried the shade on my hand. I think this will really go well. I got another product from Makeup Revolution. So this is the Baby Tint Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is of shade Blush. So I wanted to buy another product because there was a freebie available. I thought, okay, let's try another product from Makeup Revolution. And this one, the actual cost is 399, and I got it for 311. Not much of a discount, and I think it's not that worth it because the quantity is so small and the cost is like too much, I feel. So this is how the shade is. I think it's more like a nude, kind of a pink shade, nude pink shade. I think it will go well with a lip liner and for daily use, but I think only when we use it, when I use it, I can give a proper review. But this is kind of okay, but for the cost, I feel it's a little bit expensive. And for buying these products, I got a lipstick as free, and this is from brand Rosy Gold. I don't know how it's connected with Makeup Revolution, and this is of shade Pretty in Pink. Probably it's one of their sister brand maybe, and this is how it is. And it's a kind of that nice bright pink shade. So let me just swatch it. So this is how it is. I don't use much of these shades, but yeah, it's a free product. Next, I got this serum from Biolage. I'm not very sure how it is pronounced. So this, I've heard multiple reviews, even from some of the doctors mentioning that this is really good for your hair. So it'll help you to fix that, frizziness in your hair. So this one I really wanted to try because the hair serums, I do have some and I have tried, but I really wanted to have another one. And this one seems to be good as per the reviews as well. So I got this. And for this, the cost of this is 350, which is actually affordable compared to the other hair serums, I feel. For this quantity, it's 100 ml, and I got it for 276. And I also got this product as free. So this is a shampoo, matrix sulfate-free shampoo. So this is like a 30 ml, which is good for travel purpose, I feel. If you're traveling for 2 days, it will be really good. So that's another product. Next product I got is this Be Body Wise body lotion. So winter is coming, and that's when my skin becomes very dry. So I wanted a really good body lotion, and this one had really good reviews for deep hydration. So I really wanted to try them. So this is 200 ml, and it costs 449, and I got it for 276. Next, I got a perfume from Nykaa. So this is this Moi perfume, and this is this Precious Noir perfume, and I wanted to try their perfumes for a long time, and I kind of like musk fragranced perfumes. So I wanted to try one of them, one of Nykaa's. So I got this. So this is how the packaging is, which is kind of good, okay. And the cost of this is actually 649, and I got it for 398. And the smell is okay. It's kind of okay. I won't say it's great. It's kind of okay. So I'm not sure how long it will last. So I have to give it a try, because I've been trying perfumes recently, a lot of perfumes, and there are some which I really like. So hopefully this falls into that category. Next one, I got this Garnier Micellar Water. So this is this water and oil all-in-one cleanser, which I really wanted to try. I use the normal Garnier, micellar water to remove my makeup, but it really hurts my eye. So I used it only for the face, especially for the eyes and lips. I wanted something which is easily removable. I wanted to try the Bioderma one, but I thought before that, let me try this one and see how good it is, because I've heard multiple reviews from many influencers telling that it removes your makeup very quickly, especially the eye makeup. So I got this, and I can use it for travel as well because it is small. So let's see how it works. Else, I will definitely go for Bioderma. So the cost of this is 275 and I got it for 156. Next one, I got this, NYX Lip Ivy Gloss Serum. So this is, I think it's a new launch in India. And I was looking for a particular shade which wasn't there, but I still wanted to try this and I got this shade. So this shade is, I'm not very sure, okay, Splash and Spice. So that's the shade, but it seems to be like a very, light shade. It's kind of this nude brown shade. Definitely, I think it may not go well for my skin tone, but with the lip liner, I think it will definitely go well. So let me go ahead and try it out and give a separate review about this. The actual cost of this is 999 and I got it for 780. Next one, I got this Rayquil Retinol Night Cream, and the cost of this is 395. I got it for 311. I wanted to use a really good night cream, with aging and everything. You definitely need to take care of your skin, and I really wanted to try a retinol night cream. So I've heard good reviews about this. I wanted to try the Olay one, but it seems to be a little bit expensive. So I thought, okay, let me start with this and see how effective this is, and based on that we can see if we have to really go ahead for another product. So this one, I need to try and see how it works. And during the sales, I usually buy at least one, high-end brand product, a luxe product. So this time I went ahead and got this Nars, liquid concealer. This is the mini version. The actual cost of it is 1,400, and I got it for 1,117. The shade which I chose is caramel. So based on a lot of reviews and who have similar shade as mine, I chose this. So this is how it is. It's a mini one, and I think this is of how many grams? 1.4 ml. So I need to use it well. So the shade is, okay, where shall I swatch? Okay, here. So this is how the shade is. The shade seems to be a little bit lighter, I feel, but once you use an orange corrector and set it up with this for highlighting purpose, I think it will be good. But anyways, I haven't tried, so let me go ahead and try it out and check how good this is, because I've heard multiple reviews, so many even celebrities talking about this concealer, so I definitely needed to try. So this is the one which I got. So as I said, the cost is 1,400, the mini version, and I got it for 1,170. So these are the products which I got during this Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and I loved all of the products which I got, and I will be trying and giving individual reviews for these products. All the product links which I have mentioned in this video, I've mentioned in the description as well. Go ahead and check it out, use the link and purchase it if you want to. I hope this video is useful and you liked it. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.